In this video, I'll show you how to install 1Channel version 2.5.2 through the new Fusion installer located at TVaddons.ag, formerly known as XBMCHub.com. Right, head over to File Manager, add source, enter http://fusion.tvaddons.ag. Enter Fusion for the name of the media source. Click OK. Go back to the home screen. Go to Systems, Add-ons, Install from zip, Fusion XBMC repos, repository.tknorris. The old 1Channel add-on was located within a different repository. Go to Get Add-ons, tknorris, Video Add-ons, 1Channel, install. Alright, once 1Channel is enabled, go back to the home screen. Go over to Video and Add-ons. 1Channel. TV shows, date added. We got some recently added TV shows. Gotham was added a couple hours ago. Season 1. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.